got this intake for the Civic. Not yet, goofball.
Oh no, I want in.
Are you gonna sit in here quietly?
I want in there, please.
This is Car Addict Junior. Come here. Right here. Do you like cars?
No.
What? Do you like motorcycles?
No.
Do you like quads?
No.
Razors?
Yeah, just razors.
Just razors?
Yeah, nothing else.
Oh, just Papa's razor?
Yeah.
How fast do you go in Papa's razor?
Super fast, like this.
Oh, wow. You want to see what's in this box, goofball?
Yeah.
What do you think's in here?
A train as big like that, and a square one. Let's see what it is.
Alright.
I'm going to take out this one first, too.
Okay, I'll get this side. Need help?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think that is?
I think. Let's see what's in the other box.
Yep.
Let's see what's in here.
Hold on.
I'm going to go with what emoji my mom just said to you.
Okay.
And I'm going to go and do right now.
Okay. Bye, love you, goofball. Can you give me a hug kiss?
Say see you later, alligator.
Big hug. Big hug.
Okay, wait. Say see you later, YouTube.
See you later to you too. Daddy?
What's there?
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
You have no kids. You were probably annoyed watching that. Couplers, Vibra mounts, fender washers, Nylox, bracket, heat shield. Here's the main one, cold air extension. They definitely got nice boxes. Alright, I'll check out the instructions and see if they actually mean anything. Look, it comes with an instruction manual. Remove the front bumper cover. I'm not going to do that. I don't see why you have to do that. Alright. I'll see you in the morning. That garbage man is fucking hauling ass down that road. There's a big truck to stop. There's not a lot of kids on this road, but they run out here every now and then. Cats. That one up, this one down. Keep the ones over here. Camera over there. You can hear it, but maybe it'll make less of an impact. I just started thinking the car has a fuel cut if you're in neutral, parking brake not on. So I mean, I wonder if you roll parking brake off. Will it still cut your revs like that? Well, the answer is no. Solves that. Alright, let's go back and get the intake on. And see what happens. Alright, so first I'll record it with the camera that I've been using the whole time. Then I'll record it with the camcorder. Let's see if you can hear anything over that direct injection. Somebody told me that the roar of the cold air intake isn't there. Maybe it's not as crazy as on my F-22 or my B-18, but it's there. I like it. Let's do it with the other camera real quick, and then we'll go out for a drive. So this is my actual camcorder. The sound will probably be a lot better on this camera. I don't know if you will hear it when you're driving, but just like that, you definitely hear the bypass valve now. I'll probably still get a vent to atmosphere because it sounds cooler, as long as the tune shows that it makes no difference. Alright, let's go for a drive. Oh, that sounds good. Sounds pretty damn good. Oh, all right. I assume if it's hitting my ears, the camera's right next to me. But listen to somewhat of a low RPM high load. You can hear it. Let's turn the damn economy mode off in this test too. Alright, here we go. Hope you guys hear it. I see why somebody said the roar is not there. In the car, you just do not hear the roar of the intake. I'll go once with the windows up, again through a couple gears just to hear the sound in the car. That rev hang. I hate that rev hang. Alright, let's crack a window. Now, let's do it again. Let's just see it. Holy crap. Okay, I'm just going to tell you, I'll let off when I hit 4,500, and I'll tell you how high it keeps revving. 6,500. First gear. Let's get that revving sound. Let's do it now with the camcorder. too if that bypass valve would just sound a lot cooler if the throttle blade just closed when you let off, not like slowly closed. I'm guessing that's the issue. But, I mean, I'm not really sure. Okay, now had it been dry also, I could do some 0 to 60 runs. I mean, really, 30 horsepower on a 174 horsepower car should definitely improve 0 to 60. 5, my driving would make more of a difference than that. So that wouldn't really prove anything, but it'd be fun. I bet you an intake drastically reduces my fuel mileage because I'm going to be doing that all the time. It's addictive. I'll hold this bad boy right here, as close as we're gonna get to the filter in the car without wind noise. All right, we'll start at 2 grand in a second. Alright, well, there's no point in really filming anymore. You either heard what it sounded like or you didn't. So overall, I'm not unhappy I did the intake. I definitely would do it again. I also do not think I would spend the extra money on the brand name one. The instructions probably are clearer. Like, these look like just kind of terrible photocopies. Fitment, I couldn't tell you. I mean, I'd be surprised somebody can't just exactly replicate the bends of somebody else's pipe. Whether or not that's the case, I don't know. It fit pretty good, but like you saw in the wheel well, it was hard to get the pipe clock just right. To either not have the filter hit or not have the pipe hit. The other issues, that rubber channel, the one they include to get rid of that sharp edge where the pipe goes by, it's just not going to work. There's no way. You're either going to have to let it rub, which is stupid, or get your own small vacuum tube fuel line. My other issues I had was, obviously, they designed it or written the instructions for a CVT car because that clutch line mount is not going to be there. It will just be a threaded hole. Which the instructions just say put the visor mount in the threaded hole. And in the good picture on the brand name instructions, maybe you'll clearly see what they're talking about. I had to go in blind because the directions, I could read the text. That's about it. It was just shitty black and white photocopies with horrible resolution. The filter, I mean, it doesn't look like that awesome of a filter. But I mean, I'm definitely not an expert on air filter to tell you whether or not it's safe to run that filter or not. That said, I will probably look up what it will cost to get a K&N or an S&B or some brand name filter and replace that later on. It's a 2 3/4 inch tube, which that's just kind of for my recollection to come back to this video if I forget, and anybody else that wants to order a better filter while they're at it, while they order this intake, if that matters to you. Hose clamps were good. They weren't cheap where you're going to feel like you're over tightening them and they're going to strip. Oh, tap the holes for the MAF sensor, obviously. So yeah, by the time you add a tap, fuel line, silicone, headaches, K&N filter, I mean, you're probably still saving $100. And now that I'm telling you all this ahead of time, you can have those lined up, know exactly what to do, know exactly what to take off,
trick to get to without pulling the bumper, because that would just suck, and I don't know why they had you do that in the instructions. You should just be able to order what you need or buy what you need, have it sitting there before the intake even shows up. I'd say now if I had to do this again, probably, I bet I could do it in an hour, maybe even less. You probably won't do it in an hour or less because it still will be your first time. Alright, anyways, so yes, I would do it again. I would even get the cheap intake and make it work again. But that's just me. So overall, it's worth it. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned because I probably have more coming. Wife's here. I probably have more videos coming with more stuff for the car. Thanks again. Bye.